How to check CPU temperature on Windows 11 and 10. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now the best thing to do is go over to the NVIDIA app just by typing it in over here. And if you don't have it, you can download it online for free. So all you want to do now is go to settings, then go to NVIDIA overlay and make sure the toggle is on. Once it's enabled, all you want to do is press Alt and Z. And now all you want to do is go to statistics. If it's like this, all you want to do is turn them on. And then over here, you're going to see a lot of different things, right? But what you want to do is go over and you can press view all, and then you want to go ahead and find your CPU temperature. So go ahead and scroll down and then find the CPU temperature like option. There's obviously going to be loads of different ones. So you can like see like CPU utilization as well, if you want to go ahead and see that. And also, depending on what motherboard you have or anything like that, you're most likely going to have something that's going to measure your, your CPU temperatures and everything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to all my applications and I'm going to find exactly what it was. So as for me, it's NZXT cam. So as you can see, once I go right here, I can go to PC monitoring. And then from here, I can see my CPU temperature and my clock speed and everything like that.